Happy birthday. I'm Andy and I'm going to give you a little bit of advice about what 2017 holds for you born on the 23rd of January. Born on the 23rd of January is a very good horoscope to have. You have been given many skills and many gifts: the gift of communication, the gift of marketing skills, the gift of understanding money, and you'll be a person wanting to be attached to banks or in any areas that deal with money. And you will be a money person, and that's the way to go in today's world. So you will always look well for your finances and for your family's finances as well. You will have a very quick horoscope which shows that you are going to be a person who is very hasty, impatient, and very impulsive. Try to slow that down, because throughout your life there will be good ages, there will be not so good ages, and during the not so good ages you are going to have problems if you remain impatient, hasty, and make miscommunication mistakes and miscalculation financial mistakes. So the advice given to you is slow down in thought, slow down in action. But you'll be a very witty and very clever person and absorb information of all kinds very quickly. So you have all these gifts. On a bit of a negative side, you can be quite secretive and therefore arouse suspicion from people as to any part of your lifestyle or any part of your life. So try to be more open, and that would be better for you. Okay. Regarding your compatibility, you are a very compatible and easygoing person in that area, but your memory is a little too short in making promises, and when you make promises you don't keep them because you forget about them very quickly, and that's how your compatibility areas can weaken. So try to have a diary and make note of what promises you made, remember people's birth dates, and that would help you a lot to keep friends and to keep family happy as well. I'm going to talk to you about 2017 and how you're going to do with it. Now, 2017 planets are your foundation, and everybody in the world has to go through 2017 almost at the same time, but they will be of different ages. So I'm going to give you a set of ages which can be very good for people born in Aquarius. So let's pretend that you could be any of these ages in 2017. The ages of 17 or 26 or 35 or 44 or 53 or 62 or 71 or 80. Let's pretend you could be any of these ages in 2017. Then you're going to do very well. You're going to find a lot of support in career and business areas and expand freely and make money and also win recognition. And also in areas of romance and marriage, you'll be very happy and very lucky as well and get all the support that you need. So you see, the ages are very important to bring you success. Now I'm going to give you another set of ages as an example, which normally don't do very well for people born on the 23rd of January. So I'm going to apply that to 2017, and let's pretend that you are the ages of 19 or 28 or 37 or 46 or 55 or 64 or 73 or even 82. Then you have to be very careful in 2017. Not every day is going to be bad, but the tendency of getting more obstacles than necessary, more hurdles coming your way, more opposition, a tendency to have complications in areas of romance or marriage, a few difficulties in areas of career or business will arise now and again. So an up and down to 2017 you're going to have if you're of these set of ages. If you are not of any of these ages, the good ones or the negative ones which I've mentioned, then you are in the middle road and you will have your ups and downs. The only way for me to do a full horoscope for you would be if I know your full date of birth, including your year of birth, and also your time of birth, and then to look at your palms. Your palms are your DNA. Nobody else can have your fingerprints and your thumbprints and the way lines and signs and the size of your palms, all this, and the shapes of your fingers, all that mean a lot to a palmist. So looking at all this information, I'll be able to do a full horoscope for you. In the meantime, I want to talk to you about your health area. And only knowing that you're born on the 23rd, I have to worry that your spine is going to have problems, either in the neck area or in the lower spine area. So you have these difficulties, you're going to have these difficulties at some time in your life. See a neurologist, because what's happening is that your vertebrae start to pinch nerves, either in the neck area or in the lower spine area, or sometimes in the middle spine area as well. And also I do worry about levels of diabetes. So every 1 or 2 years, do a blood sugar check. It doesn't matter so much whether you eat a lot of sweet stuff or not. Diabetes is a blood-related thing, so do blood tests once or twice every year. These are the couple of things I want to point to you, because all I know is very little about you, born on the 23rd of January. When I have your full details, I'll be able to do a whole list of your health problems. You will be a great traveler, and you will want to do business abroad. In fact, travel for you is not for enjoyment, but to do business, because you have a business brain all the time, and you're thinking about business or career all the time. And so you will have businesses in different countries, or go to live and work in different countries. That's very positive for you. Okay, you might even migrate, your horoscope shows, and that would be in areas of business perhaps, or areas of career. So you will be able to migrate as well. You will have a very charming life with plenty of money at times. The headache will be to try and keep it, because you have a very ambitious horoscope and you like to put your money on the line very quickly. And so money speculation, financial speculation, is going to be a big part in your life. Well, that's what I'm going to tell you for time being. Do go to Facebook, look me up, and follow me, and we can communicate, and you can ask me questions, and I can see you on Skype one day to do your full horoscope for you. Until then, happy birthday again.